you are not getting noticed by the company and you are just keep applying the jobs but you're not getting response, so this is video for you guys. So hello everyone, my name is Jakas and you're watching Technology the Killer channel. So guys, in today's video series I'm just going to let you know about that how you can just get the responses from the companies while you are applying in the positions. Okay, so I'm just going to let you know about that. I hope you also knows about the LinkedIn profile. So if you have LinkedIn profile, so this video I have made on LinkedIn only. So you will have to click on the jobs portal. So here you will get two options. Here you can search about the title, skills of company, and the second one is for the location only. So suppose that if you are a full stack developer, so I'm just going to here suppose the full stack developer, and as you will see that this job portal has come to this way. So I will just suggest you that what's the titles you should use, right? So there is a options of all filters. You will have to go here, and when you will click on this options, you will just there will be sort by two responses, most recent and most relevant. So you will have to click on most recent. Okay, because when you choose these options, so you will just get the latest applications from the company who has recently posted, right? And the date posted, you will have to click on the past 24 hours, and there are multiple options as well. Experience level, you can just simply click on if you are looking for the internship. If you have already did internship and you're looking for the junior roles or associated who have experience about 2 to 3 years experience, they can choose these options and they can choose accordingly whatever they just wanted to find, right? So you don't need to select any options in the company. And about the job type, if you are looking for the full-time, part-time, contract, and whatever is that, you can choose accordingly. Okay, so like there is a locations option as well. So suppose that I'm in a Bangalore and I just wanted to look job for only in Bangalore. Okay, so I will click on here. So you can just see that here is a 19 result in a 24 hours that the company has posted, right? So you will have to just check about the first of all the job title, that what are the job titles you are getting here. So here is the title of software engineer and full stack applications developer. So what you need to keep in mind while applying, okay? So you will have to first check about the job titles and you can just scroll, and job description is very important because when you will see the job descriptions you will get an idea that how if your resume is actually matching or not. So you will have to carefully read all the job descriptions, and the experience is also matters. If you have suppose that 2 3 years of experience, so this is job is for you, and you can just choose the some keyword as well. Okay, because there will be some options of the skills databases and you can match your resume as well. If these skills are not meeting with the your resume, so don't apply on this position, or you can just use always updated resume. And in the same way you can just see that before 4 hours the full stack developer positions has been posted by the Vedas Technology Solutions LLC. Okay, so what will happen when you will apply in this position? You will be first notified a candidate in the company. Like you can check also that there's only 7 people has applied in our last 4 hours. So if you will apply recently in the position, so at least you will be get noticed by the company. If your profile will be shortlisted, you will have more chances to get the interview call. Okay, so if you love this video, so please comment and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from my YouTube channel. If you want more videos, and I'm just exploring for now that how we can reach to the recruiter as well and how to find the recruiter's email. So if you really wanted video soon, so please comment me so that I will make the video again. So thank you so much, enjoy and keep finding the job. Thank you.